While you need to create HTML files to actually get your website online, if you want to do things like test HTML and CSS and see the effects in real time, a fantastic tool to do that is CodePen.io. So on the screen here, you see four boxes: HTML, CSS, JS, which is JavaScript, and then a blank box on the bottom here. As we write HTML and CSS, we will see the results of what we type in the box below. To make it a little bit easier to see, I'm going to change the view here so that our editor is on the left and our results are on the right. And then I'll expand these boxes a little bit. And since we're only working with HTML right now, I'm going to hide the other two. So if I want to write h1 hello world, we'll see the results panel update in real time. The same goes for if I want to add an unordered list. So I'll say 1, 2, and then we can see the bullets showing up on the right. But if I want to change this to an ordered list, we'll see the bullets change to numbers in real time. And finally, if we want to see what certain tags do, I can write something like test tag, and then we can see what the strong tag does. So that bolds our text. We could see what the EM tag does. That italicizes our text. Or we could see what the S tag does. And that adds a line through our text. And you can do the same thing for CSS. So if I expand the CSS panel here, and we want to do something like change the color of the heading 1 tag, I can write h1, curly braces, color, and we'll say red. If I want to change the background color of the body, I can do that too. So I can say background, after I add the body selector, I'll say background, light gray, and then the background color changes. So CodePen is a great way for you to test out your HTML and CSS and see the effects of your code in real time.